become a hero in the young generation. And now we will see the chapter unknown, the students, the youth, it will become not only the hero of the Bangladesh, but also the hero of the Ummah. Inshallah, we will see the good, inshallah. Inshallah. And this is my story. Ummah Mubarak, Ummah Mubarak is the finest. All of you, inshallah. Masuk Allah wa fatil barik, masuk Allah wa fatil barik. The help and support from Allah is here. And the victory will be coming. The victory will be coming. Allahu Akbar. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.